Today I'll be making crane, but they call it, I think the Arab people call it Molokhia, but we call it crane. It's a bit slippery, but I'm sure some people call it water leaf as well, which I'm not quite sure, but I think so. I stand to be corrected if I'm not right, but we call it crane. So today I'll be cooking some crane. That's what I'll be cooking here. I have 4 packets of crane. It's not that much inside, so I'll be adding 1 okra, 1 blended okra. I'm going to be putting my okra there. And then for protein, I have my meat, fish, cow skin, cow tripe, beef meat, my dry fish. So yeah, so I'll be putting water in this one. They are nicely to wash. I already put good amount of water to take it to boil, so I'm going to add salt. I'm going to be adding like 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 Maggi cube. So I will take that to the fire to be boiled. And then I have my mackerel fish, which I'm going to be grilling in the oven. I have my 2 big large onion here. I have my Locus beans. This one is only me who eat it anyway, so I don't need much because I'm making it for fufu. I have 2 hot Scotch bonnet pepper here. I have my 1 bunch of spring onion, which I'm going to be chopping those ones, and the 2 onions and the Locus beans. I'll blend those one together. Yeah, basically that's all. And I'll be using palm oil, and I'll show you the palm oil later. Let me just take this one to the boil and I'll show you the palm oil. Today I'm going to be using a sister tell me to be doing this to save me from too many cleaning my gas cooker. She was like, Fatima, do it like this. Fatima, use it like this. I was like, okay, let me try it. So this is my first time. I'm gonna try it. Because she always find me cleaning it. So she was like, do it like this to save you some time. I was like, okay. This is what she asked me to do. She find me cleaning. She was like, you're killing yourself, do it like this. I was like, okay, I will try it. So today I'm trying it. And see. Let me put the fire on. Yeah, it worked perfectly. So now I'm bringing my meat on the fire. I'm gonna cover those one up. That's my onion, spring onion Locus beans. So I'm gonna be blending them now. I'm adding my blended onions and peppers. At this stage, I'm going to add my palm oil. I have added my palm oil 250 milliliter. I have added 2 of that, which is 500 milliliter of oil, palm oil. This is how they look like after I remove them from their packet. This is how they look like. That's the name here. I'm going to be adding my Scotch bonnet pepper in there. I'm putting it in now. I'm going to be adding my blended okra. That's my sauce. If you want a lot of palm oil, you can add a lot of palm oil, but for me, I'm going to be eating it with fufu, so I don't want to be having a lot of palm oil. I'm going to be putting 3 Maggi cubes, seafood Maggi jumbo. So I'm gonna mix everything in. I'm making my carrot fufu. That's carrot that I blend. Carrot. I'm gonna add a little bit of warm water. Pinch of salt, I'm going to be adding some coconut flour for thickening. Just some to make it thick. You guys should just give this a try. It's very healthy. If you want to lose some of the carbohydrates. Don't leave it in the fire and go and move. You have to be here. I'm going to add a little bit warm water for the fufu flour. At this point, I'm going to cover it up and leave it. That's my carrot fufu. I mean, if you are eating this one, it will make you to be putting on weight, you know. Especially people like us that we are on the bit of the chunky side, so I'm gonna have this one. That's That's my carrot fufu is ready. That's my carrot fufu. So I'm gonna put them here so they don't get cold. That's my grilled fish that from the oven. I removed everything from the bone. So I'm going to be adding it into my pot of soup. Thank you everyone. That's my food is ready, my cream. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video. Thumbs up, leave your comment, subscribe. Thank you everyone. That's my carrot fufu. That's the carrot fufu here. I'm gonna have it with my cream. If you want to add more palm oil, you are free to do so as well. And if you want to add more salt, more maggi, to your own taste. So thank you so